Yo, what up, YouTube? Let me see. Let me show you guys something. So, I have a problem with this gs350 where the AC, the air wasn't really coming out of through the vents on all of them. And then I bought a blower motor, and you see the blower motor in there, thinking that that's gonna be the culprit, but doesn't look like it's gonna be it. Popped open my cabin air filter in the glove box. So pretty much you just got to remove this tray. Once you let me show you guys. So this tray just, it just goes in here like this, right? Once it goes in there, you just slide it out, and then like right behind here, it has this like little clip here that kind of just goes down like that, and you just gotta pop it out like this, and then it'll come right off. And sometimes this thing right here, it's closed. Let me show you. So you gotta turn the key on twice. See how now you can hear the fan spinning. Yeah, the air is super strong. I thought it was gonna be a blower motor, but it's really powerful. So let me show you guys. See. Right now the car's not on, but this is low. This is medium. Okay. That's how it was kind of like on full blast. That's how I felt. And then this is high. Close it back. It's super strong. You can hear it too. So I thought it was a blower motor, but the blower motor looks good. Turns out that this is gonna be culprit right here. I don't know when was the last time I changed it, but it's so super close. Look inside. All that. So I'm gonna head to AutoZone for now and just pick up air filter. Yeah. But anyway, so it won't, install it pretty much backwards. Put it back in there, just like that, and then and close everything back. Oh, but also another thing, I almost forgot. So this thing right here, it has like sometimes it might be blocked. If you hit this right here, see how that little vent came down? So you don't want to mess that up. The way you open it is press that, and now it opens back up. Hopefully that helps. Alright, thank you for watching, guys.